How's it going today, guys? Trucks and Water here, and now we're at the TDA Truck Fest event. I'm gonna be walking around talking to people, filming trucks and stuff like that. So let's get this party started. For the show, got her all cleaned up, wheel tire shines on her, stuff like that. So we're gonna be walking around, filming trucks. Not everyone's here yet, they're just starting to roll in now. Yee! What's up, bud? Where you parking at? I'm gonna park next to you. Okay. I think OBS is right here. I guess pull it. See if you can pull in right there. Can you push these in anymore? Yeah. No, don't push it back. I know, but like I don't know if you can fit. Alright, let's try it. Hashtag, if I got an OBS, pretty much this is what the setup would be. Like, flatbed for days. That is awesome. And there's Killian, and there's that puppy! With
Killian's better.
With Tennessee Diesel Mafia's here, guys. We're all having a good time partying, you know, having a great time. But that's the setup I would do with an OBS. That looks so daggum mean. And of course, the Platinum Edition F250. Can't go wrong with it.
This is the church. This is the church.
Yee.
Absolutely not acceptable.
What's up? Oh my God, are those forces?
Hey, talk to him. Talk to Trucks and Water.
Is that forces?
No.
Oh. What's up, bud?
He holds a world record now.
For what?
730 on a stock S Open.
Yeah! Hell yeah! Okay, guys, I'm with TN Speeds. If you're not much in the car or truck content, follow him. He's got a badass vet. And if you're not into American Muscle, he's also got a WRX that's pretty wicked too.
It is an STI, just to clarify.
Yeah, it is. So it's not a wannabe. It's legit. But go check him out, guys. We'll be walking around, you know, doing our thing and whatnot. And Jordan's on his phone. What are you doing?
Nothing.
What were you doing in the background? What were you doing? Say it to the camera. Say it to all the. Say it to.
No flash photography.
Oh wow. You lock it enough?
Jeez. Wait. Boy. Control yourself.
Boy, control yourself.
You guys haven't noticed
Child.
I've basically been crazy with a dog in every show. This is gonna be the dog for this show.
There we go.
This is the official TN Speed puppy of the day.
Aww.
Probably start that as a thing and make that like a regular occurrence for me.
All right, guys. Me and TN Speeds, we're over here gonna see what numbers these trucks can put down at the moment. We've got a 3rd gen 5.9 common rail up there. Let's see what numbers it can make.
Definitely always been a fan of the 3rd gen Cummins, so I'm really curious to see what this thing can put down. I actually, if you know me well enough, the day that I bought my FJ Cruiser, which I will now insert here, I was actually going to buy one of those right there that looks just like that.
That might be a manual truck.
Yeah, I think it is. Shifting way too slow. It says no way.
He wants to get into overdrive before he does the pull. And it held.
Oh, it's been leaking oil.
48 on the stock truck with a lot of spray.
Wow, that's cool. So in a sea of lifted trucks, we've got a like a C10. Yeah, C10 on either on bags or just been lowered.
Well, I'd say we can look right back here at the bed and see if it's on back.
Let's see here.
Let's see here. Oh yeah. No, just tubbed.
No, it's
Oh, yeah,
bagged.
it is,
It's bagged, but it's bagged in the middle. They
I'm
tubbed
looking
it.
through my camera screen, and when I looked in here, there's nothing. I'm like, oh nope, no bags.
Dang, that's so cool.
Let's
Rat.
Be super cool
There
with
they
fish
are.
islands.
Look at that.
Oh yeah,
That is sick.
rat rod. Chase, what's up, buddy? we got the TN Speeds Vet right here, the red one, the infamous Vet. As you can see right here, and on YouTube at TN Speed TV.
Oh, this is YouTube.
Oh, that's Instagram. Sorry, YouTube's right here, guys. My bad. YouTube's right here. We're good. Everything's good now. Everything's fine. It's normal. We're good. We're gonna get the drone up, guys. We're gonna get some awesome drone footage. Got this little guy right here. It's got a 1BT Cummins diesel in it. It rolls coal and the whole 9 yards. And we got a nice clean F-250 right there. And we got a Killian. And then we got Jordan's. If you remember Jordan from the 800 horse 12 valve, this is his new 4th gen. Bone stock. I'm talking stock as a clock, 4th gen. And it's a 6-speed. Clean truck.
And heels.
Oh no.
And dresses.
Burf. Here it goes. Switching over to drone footage now. Oh, it's cams.
Going on YouTube.
Well, first time ever winning something. Actually, it's the first time I won anything. Just won a rough country Yeti tumbler. This would make a great present for someone. Regifted. Cool.
Austin Justice, number 50.
Alright guys, TN Speeds is leaving his Corvette. I'm going to be walking around doing my thing, just filming and all that good stuff. So make sure if you're not into trucks that much, go down in the description or...
Come see me. We got all kinds of car stuff.
I got his Instagram down in the description.
Whatever.
yeah, whatever you all are into, he's got it. So I got the Instagram link down in the description, it'll be popping up now. YouTube link down in the description, that'll be popping up now. So make sure you go out and follow him, guys. Again, if you're not into trucks really, and you're into Corvettes, imports, American muscle, no matter what, give him a follow. He's a local guy for me, so good seeing you, bud. Well, hang on.
All right.
We're good now.
We both have shit in our hands.
Alright guys, that's going to be a wrap on the TDA meet. They got all the judging awards done. Like I said before in the video, won an RC Yeti Cup. First thing I've ever won from a contest. So anyways, so me and Killian are going to roll out of here, get something to eat, go have fun on the strip. How was it, Killian?
It was amazing. And Taylor Holbrook is literally standing right there.
If you don't know who Taylor Holbrook is, he's a country music singer? Mm-hmm. He's a country music singer, guys. So, you know, hit him up, follow him, you know, support the local artist, guys. So
he's super nice. So
thank you all so much for watching this special on the TDA Truck Fest event. If you liked the video, leave a like. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Make sure you go over to TDA and support them, because they're starting to get really big. Like, this is going to turn out to be, it's going to keep growing every single year. Of course, links will be down in the description for everything. Make sure you go out and follow that, guys. So thank you all so much for watching. Have a great day, and remember, never give up on your dreams.